Hey everyone, in this video we will compare N8N and Relevance AI. N8N and Relevance AI are both automation tools, but they offer different strengths. N8N is an open source automation platform with a wide range of integrations. It's highly customizable, allowing users to create complex workflows without needing to code. It's great for users who need flexibility and want to automate a variety of tasks across different platforms. Relevance AI, on the other hand, focuses on data-driven automation. It specializes in AI-powered automation for data management, helping businesses with predictive analytics, insights, and more advanced data processing tasks. It's a good choice for companies that need automation with a focus on data science and machine learning. If you need a flexible, no-code automation tool with a broad integrations, N8N is a better option. If your focus is on data-driven tasks and AI-powered insights, Relevance AI would be better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.